who say the adventures, all the adventures is going to be strawberry and rainbow colors. You're going to see some beautiful waterfall, guys. All right, stay put, don't go away, guys. Yo, what's up, my people? We are here in this crazy waterfall, not too far from Americana City in Santa Barbara. We ride 30 kilometers. That's 60 kilometers in total for all of you guys. I'm here with and Leonardo. Woo. Yeah. And this is the river Rio Jaguari, people, you heard that? Yeah, Dominic Morris here say and want to tell you guys that the nature around this place is beautiful. Is close to the iron bridge or the Ponte de Ferro. I'm gonna drop here the descriptions right here. You can clip the video if you want, you haven't seen it yet. And I gotta say, I enjoyed this so much because riding, you're doing a cardio workout, right? And you enjoyed with the family, and that's what I do. Nothing better than this, all right, guys?
All right.
Don't forget to subscribe, give me that thumb up if you knew this place already. Let me know in the comment below. Till the next time, Noah.
See you next time.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
We here in the shelter, and I made here in the meantime. Rain is crazy. Yeah, we gotta go home and wait until the rain stop, and then we go home. All right, waiting here under the shelter. All right, Daddy made here.